Let's prepare on spillways. So today we are going to see about the spillways. So as we are seeing the fluid dynamics, that is the movement of the water with the force is considered, I am also going to talk about this, but these will be studying in detail in the irrigation also. So here let us just know the definition and what is the formula for calculating the discharge in the spillways alone. So spillways is nothing but it is also just like a weir only, but here the excess water other than the stored water, the same thing only weir also, but the structure is alone different here. So you can see the structure will be of a curved shape. So why they are providing this shape means the water will be in contact with that surface. So this is good for, this is actually the advantage of this spillway. Okay, so this is also to remove the excess water other than the stored water, and here the formula is Q is equal to C into L into H power 3 by 2. So the C is the coefficient of spillway, H is the water head, that is the height of the water present above that spillway's top, and L is the length of the spillway. And the next is siphon spillway. So siphon spillway means it is just another modified version of spillway. So here you can see the diagram here. So a curved shape spillway is only provided, but it is in a closed container like thing. It is in a closed form. So here it consists of a oaky weir, that is the shape of that weir, and airtight cover and a suction pipe is given. So when the water level reaches, so this will be the tank or reservoir. So when the water level reaches the crest of that spillway, water will be automatically flowing through this siphon spillway. So this is the process that is happening in this siphon spillway. Thank you and keep watching for the next lecture on flow through pipes.